In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix loud P and S sounds in Audacity. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, just select the sound with the loud P or hard S, then go to EQ. After that, click on Graphic EQ, and from there, you can repeat the process I am doing right now. Just lower these down until you reach level 63, as you can see, then start creating a ramp up until you reach level 200. Do not change level 200, just leave it as it is, and your sound pop will be decreased instantly. After you do that, click on Apply, then repeat the process for all the sounds that have loud P and S sounds. Then click Ctrl R to repeat the process. After you have done that, the voice will now be clean. Just go ahead and play it again and you will hear the change. So this was today's video. As always, thank you for watching.